So this is our setup 1. Recommended for YouTube but can also be used for online classes and recorded content. In this video, we will use 5 products. Manfrotto tripod as our camera stand, Sony camera as our main camera, Harrison boom stand to hold our microphone, Rode Video Micro as our microphone, and Sony headphones for our sound output. Let's start with the Manfrotto tripod. Manfrotto is an Italian photography accessories company. It makes amazing products. And so, the Manfrotto 055 tripod is an amazing one. You can attach any kind of head to this tripod. For demo, we are going to use Manfrotto ball head. Though it is heavy, it is very sturdy and very strongly built. And this tripod has 2 locks in each of its leg. That means it can triple its original height. And of course the ball head comes with the quick release mechanism. And here's the quick release plate. Though it's a complex tripod, it is very easy to set up. You have to open the lock, pull out the leg and close the lock. Repeat this for each leg. That's how you set this up. For our camera, we are using Sony A7R III. Sony and Fuji come with a software that enable them to be used without a capture card. So this is a full frame mirrorless camera and the Sony 2019 flagship. This camera will yield us the best quality ever, but you can use another camera also. Now to set this, you have to go back to the tripod and remove the quick release plate. Attach the quick release plate to the base of the camera. And then lock the camera with the quick release plate into the tripod. Make sure that it is locked in. And here we are using Harrison boom stand as our mic stand. This is a heavy but sturdy stand. To set this, there are 2 things to do. First, loosen up the highest lever as shown in the video. Then pull out the main column. And don't forget to tighten the lever again. Step 2. Loosen the lower lever as shown in the video and then gently tilt the main column and tighten the lever back. That's all you have to do to set this up. Now the umbrella bracket is an optional product, but we recommend using it. This bracket attaches to the top of the boom stand. It makes it easier for you to attach a microphone. Also, it helps in minor adjustments if any. Let's see the microphone, which is the Rode Video Micro. Though it is small, it has a very crisp output. And because it's unidirectional, you don't have to worry about the background noises. It is very lightweight and has an all-metal body. To set this microphone, first connect it to the cable provided. Then attach it to the lyre bracket, which is also provided. If you want, you can use the provided windshield. And we suggest you to use some extension cables. Just for the note, this microphone has a 3.5 mm jack. Now with everything in place, just slide the microphone into the bracket and tighten it. And don't forget to connect the cable. So that is all to set this microphone. For our audio output, we are going to use Sony headphones. Now particularly, we are using Sony MDR XD100 headphones. These are over-the-ear headphones with 40 mm driver. It has a cord length of 3.5 meters. It looks like a giant but is very light and comfortable. And similarly, these headphones also come with 3.5 mm jack. Again, this is an optional product, but we recommend using it. This is the Godox LED panel. It can run with batteries or directly on mains. It has a really bright output and does the job really well. Now let's see the complete setup with the green screen background. Here we have our guy making a review video. And he's using the Manfrotto tripod, Sony a7R III camera, Harrison boom stand, Rode Video Micro, and the Sony headphones. Also, if you don't have or don't want to use a green screen, you can use any plain background. Here you can see our guy is again with the lens review, with of course the Sony camera mounted on Manfrotto tripod, Harrison boom stand with the Rode Micro, and the Sony headphones. So that was our setup 2, recommended for YouTube but can also be used for online class and recorded content. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H. Wali, the Electronic Megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram with the given ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets and accessories required for audio and video conferencing. Thank you for watching this video by Crossbeats. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.